humidifier with different options. So you can have 1 going, 2 going, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have it on change colour. You can set a colour. And then it's got the voice activation. So you put it on. So it will play along to music and also to your voice. So I'm going to do a couple of claps. Just to show you how it works. So when you've got music playing, it will play along to the music. Now, the one downside to this is that you can't have it on without any coloured lights. So I would like to have it on through the night, and the lights are a bit too bright to have on overnight. And the instructions are a bit incomplete. It comes with these cotton wool tubes that it doesn't really explain what to do with them.
Can you move these folders away? 마을이 신공이야. 마을이 신공 가자. 아유. Yeah, you eat that. No, listen. And you eat that. This is short.